It's a good thing that permission was given after so many years for Muharram procession on 8th Muharram. We all welcome that, and we hope that this is not a decision in isolation, because we have found that when it suits the government, they find it very easy to clamp down on religious freedom. There are numerous examples in front of you. How many Fridays are there when permission is not given in Jama Masjid for Friday prayers? That must stop. You must give permission for Friday prayers in Jama Masjid every Friday. Why is it that you don't allow Eid prayers in Eidgah? There should be no stop on that. Our religious leader, Waa'z Umar Farouk, why is he being stopped from performing his religious and social duties? He himself has said he is not going to get into politics. He wants to carry out his religious duties. He wants to launch a social campaign against drug menace. So why is he not being given permission now to come out and resume his social and religious duties and responsibilities? So, I mean, while, as I said, we welcome the government's decision today, it shouldn't be a decision in isolation. Look at what happens to us. On 13th July, all we want to do is go to the martyrs' graveyard, offer prayers and put flowers. Even that they don't give us permission for. So while one decision that they've taken today is something we welcome, we also expect that this will be one of a series of decisions like those I've listed out for you. I think this government should have the confidence in the situation. Either the situation is not normal, then they should stop telling the world it's normal. Stop telling the Supreme Court the situation is normal. Don't file affidavits in the Supreme Court telling everybody how normal it is. Because if it is normal, then don't stop prayers on Eid. Don't stop Friday prayers in Jama Masjid. Don't restrict religious leaders from carrying out their religious and social responsibilities. For me, the biggest display of normalcy will not be that I had to walk. The biggest display of normalcy will be when the Lieutenant Governor walks. Let him walk. Let him walk from Maulana Azad Road to the Secretariat. Then I will say, yes, the situation is normal, because as Chief Minister, I was not able to walk to the Secretariat. Unfortunately, Mr. B.R. Sharma is not empowered to announce assembly elections. They have to be announced by the Election Commission of India. And for some reason, in spite of acknowledging that there is a vacuum in Jammu&Kashmir that needs to be filled, the Election Commission of India is reluctant to announce assembly elections in J&K. We are still hopeful that the people of J&K will not be deprived of their legitimate right to elect a state government. You know, you talked about the bills that are being brought to Parliament, whether it is reservation for Pahadis or whether it is nominated seats. These are all decisions that should be taken by the Assembly of J&K. I didn't need the Parliament of India to get 4% reservation for the Pahadis. I couldn't do more than 4, but at least I did 4. When I was Chief Minister, we passed the bill and sent it for assent to the governor for 4% for Pahadis. I think it's unfortunate that these sort of decisions that concern J&K are being taken by people who really have no relation with J&K. Why should Parliament be empowered to take decisions regarding our reservation? Have assembly elections, the people of Jammu and Kashmir will pass these bills.